Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is a special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year economic questions. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming exam, upcoming prelims exam, and how to crack the question in easier manner. Okay, by using the elimination tactics. Okay, or else how to find the key within the question. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, consider the following statement. Okay, so this question is purely focusing on purchasing power parity. So what is purchasing power parity? Consider that $1 is equal to 50 rupees. Okay, consider it is a nominal exchange rate. Okay, in US, okay, the rate of one burger, okay, is $1. Okay, whereas in India, okay, the same burger is cost around 50 rupees. So the person from US can buy the burger from India with the same $1. Okay, or else, okay, the person from India can buy the US burger with the same 50 rupees. Okay, so this is called as purchasing power parity. Okay, so both the countries money is in a parity. Okay, so you can buy the product in India or else in US also. Okay, both the country the cost of the product is same, so that is called as purchasing power in parity. Okay, so all about this. Okay, the first statement, the purchasing power parity exchange rates are calculated by comparing the prices of the same basket of goods and services in different countries. See, so this is the thing. Okay, so the first statement is clearly saying it. Okay, second statement, in terms of purchasing power parity dollars, okay, India is the 6th largest economy in the world. See, please note that it is actually first in terms of dollar. China is in the first. Okay, in terms of dollar, second is USA. In terms of dollar, third is India. It is not a 6th. Okay, this is the factual data you have to memorize. Okay, so see, even the US is in the second level. Okay, because lot of countries are following the trade with the US dollar only. Okay, so even when compared to the global level of trade of in the dollar value, okay, US itself in the second level in their purchasing power parity of in the dollar. Okay, so this first China, second USA, third is India. Okay, so by that the second statement is wrong. Okay, the first statement is right, so the answer is A only. Okay, thank you.